In this video, I'll show you how to add descriptions to boards in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want to add description. Once the board loads, look near the top of the screen beside the board name. Depending on your version of Monday.com, you may see a small information icon, a board settings menu, or an arrow down icon. Click that icon. From the drop down menu, look for options like board info, board description, or edit board details. In my case, the description is above the board info. Click inside the text box to edit the description. Highlight the text and click backspace. Now enter the information you want team members to see. For example, you could explain what the board is used for, how tasks should be organized, what status mean, or how the workflow operates. Try to keep the description clear and easy to follow. You can also include links, instructions, or onboarding notes depending on the formatting options available in your workspace. Once you finish typing the description, save the changes if your version requires confirmation, and if not, just click anywhere inside the board. Team members who open the board will now be able to view the description and better understand how the board should be used. Adding descriptions helps improve onboarding, reduces confusion, and keeps workflows more consistent across teams. And that's how to add descriptions to boards in Monday.com.